Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classic Fashion Ideas. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. So friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you along with a very stylish and very beautiful latest trendy upcoming design ideas of baby frock designs, that how you can design your baby girl frocks. And one more thing friends, that no need to worry about, these designs are very beautiful and very eye-catching, and two-in-one beauty of these designs is that you can use them for winters as well as for summers as well. So throughout the whole year you can use the designs. How you can use these designs? Very simple, that these, as you could see that from their appearance, these are sleeveless, and how you can wear them in winters. The answer to this question is very simple, that you can wear some sort of hand knitted or some other woolen material inner, that is round neck, high neck, or some sort of inner vest. So now let's move to the details of embroidery patterns. As far as we are concerned with the embroidery patterns are used by using the very famous and very easy embroidery stitches, that is Brazilian embroidery, French knot, fly stitch, stem stitch, and some easy stitches like chain stitch, buttonhole stitch, fishbone stitch, and things like that. So I would suggest you to try these patterns and share your experiences with us. And if you want to get some more ideas related to baby frock designing, then go to our channel's playlist named as baby frocks. There you can get a variety of wide range of beautifully designed baby dresses, baby frocks. So I hope that you have got enough ideas for today, and if you were unable, then go to my channel's playlist, and we will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Allow us to leave, you don't go anywhere, watch the video till end, and if you like the video, don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel, and while subscribing, press the bell icon. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, and keep watching my content like this. We keep trying to share very beautiful, easy, and new design ideas on daily basis. So stay blessed, we will soon be back. Spread positivity and be a cause of positive motivation for your friends and family.